Conwy's Young Ambassadors team, these are some of our pledge ideas. One of our ideas would be to make a better registration system by using iPads or the app numbers. We have already managed to maintain the distance between boys and girls. We are now just working on keeping this with girls coming to the clubs. We are trying to provide opportunities in and out of school. We would like pupils from the school to enjoy clubs on dinner time as well as clubs out of school. We were trying to help pupils find out what sports they enjoy. We might do this by showing the advantages of different sports, by creating a poster showing different advantages and disadvantages of the sports they enjoy.